Hello everyone, want to voice chat with ChatGPT app? I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in and ready to start a conversation. Now, take a look at the chat screen. Right next to the text box on the right side, you will see a microphone icon. Tap on the microphone icon, and when you see the recording indicator, start speaking. Say whatever you want to ask ChatGPT. Once you are done, tap on tap to stop recording to finish. Your voice will be converted into text and sent as a message. And that's it. Now you can chat with ChatGPT hands-free using voice input. If the microphone icon isn't showing, make sure you have given the app permission to use your microphone in your device settings. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.